What if electric toothbrushes are too expensive? You can make it yourself for only 10 yuan. As we all know, electric toothbrush is a popular product in recent years. It not only makes us use it with less effort and convenience, but also can clean the stains inside the teeth more effectively. But better electric toothbrushes cost hundreds or thousands of dollars. So today, I want to share with you how to make an electric toothbrush. Make your own electric toothbrush from a few simple ingredients. First, use a PVC pipe to make the handle of the toothbrush. Then find a lithium battery charging module. Then use a knife to cut a charging port in the base of the handle. Then find a lithium battery. There is a set of wires. This group of wires to it welded to the battery at both ends. After welding it and the battery, when you weld here, you have to distinguish between the positive and negative poles and the welded ends. After the battery is welded, the load output port is also welded with 2 wires. Once you've done that, put a little tape on the top of the battery and attach the charging port to the base. After fixing the handle to it, use a knife to cut a switch hole in the handle, and then you can put the battery into the handle. Once installed, the next step is to attach the switch to it. After soldering the wire, you can screw the switch to the handle. Then take a motor and a small nut and tie the nut to the shaft of the motor with a tie. Then fix it with glue. Once you're done, take an ordinary toothbrush and use a saw to cut off the top half of the toothbrush. Then put an aluminum tube and a handle top under the toothbrush. After that, daub a little glue on the inside of it, paste the motor on it, and then weld the wire of the motor on it. After welding, attach the brush head and glue it in place, and you have a powerful electric toothbrush. Then plug it in and charge it, and when you're done, you can test it. When I turn on the switch, I can see that the bristles are constantly shaking. I believe that it can also make my teeth more beautiful and tidy.